Meet our new SilkLift Strong high-performance lightener. What's new? The new SilkLift Strong got an upgraded anti-yellow system. We also added BondPro Plus. And now you can lift the hair up to 9 levels. I use SilkLift Strong whenever I have very thick and strong hair with a big amount of pheomelanin, or when I have colored hair. Of course, I use it too when I want to reach the maximum lifting of the hair with the best hair condition. Whenever I have the feeling I need more protection and care in my SilkLift Strong, I can always apply 2-in-1 serum of SilkLift. If I want to end my lightening service with a conditioner, I can always use BondPro Plus Step 2. Thanks for watching and enjoy!